All right, another booster pack of Modern Masters. We've got two of them here. I'm gonna open both of these tonight. And which one do we want to open? Oh, let's do the double. Blue handcuffs. All right, let's do this. Here we go, Modern Masters. We will throw that on the floor. Hammerheim Deadeye. Ooh, echo that for 6. Jesus. It's fucking 3/3. And then Tuco Shaman. Thieving Sprite. Sorry, no more shadows on you guys. Veteran Armorer. Logic Knot. Delve. What? You may exile any number of cards from your graveyard as you cast this spell. It costs 1 less to cast for each card exiled. Counter target spell unless its controller plays X. There's something there. Grape Shot. Hillcomber Giant. Street Wraith. Mire Enforcer. Affinity for artifacts. Fury Charm. All these boosters are out of the same booster box. So, good thing we're not getting a lot of doubles. Thirst for Knowledge. There we go. Vivid Grove. Second uncommon. What is the third? Riftwing Cloudskate. Alright. Let's do the rare. Come on. Ooh. Vidalcan Shackles. We'll take it. And the foil. Let's do the foil. Let's do the foil. Come on. Is it a rare? Is it a rare? It's an uncommon. Alright. Search for Tomorrow. Good enough. Shiny, shiny. Saproling.